Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, Alexan, Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of Intermediate Second Year Maths A. We started a discussion with the chapter Theory of Equations. What did we learn? We started how do we form an equation, then we learned how do we solve a basic equation, then we learned the relationship between the roots. Done? Fine. With the continuation of that, let us learn how to solve the higher order equation without giving minimal conditions or maybe by giving the complex roots also. Okay, see here, the question is given as solve x power 4 plus 2x cube minus 5x square plus 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Given one root is 1 plus I. What does this mean? Wherever 1 plus I is there, remember that 1 minus I is also a root. Okay, so just see here, given 1 plus I as root. Since it is irrational, 1 minus I is also a root. Okay, so let us find an equation by using these two roots so that we can easily divide this power 4. Done? See here, alpha is 1 plus I, beta is 1 minus I. So what is the equation now? X minus of 1 plus I, x minus of 1 minus I. Now just tell me x minus 1 minus I, x minus 1 plus I. Now a plus b into a minus b. This becomes x minus 1 whole square minus I square. Just simplify this. X square plus 1 minus 2x plus 1, because I square itself is minus 1, which becomes plus 1. Therefore equation is x square minus 2x plus 2. Is it right? Once again see here, they gave an equation as root as 1 plus I. We will write it as 1 minus I. Since it is irrational, we can do both. So x minus 1 plus I, x minus 1 minus I, minus 1 minus I, minus 1 plus I. Now x minus 1 whole square minus I square. Isn't it? A square plus b square minus 2ab. I square itself is minus 1. It becomes plus. Okay. So this is our equation of degree 2. Now let us divide this equation with this. Which rule shall we use? Let us do synthetic division. But remember, in the previous problem which we did was simply a hardness method, in which we used to have only a single root. What to do if we have two roots? That is simply an equation we got. So first let me write the coefficients. 1 minus 5 6 2. Okay, similarly we have to put two numbers here. Before we used to put like these factors, right? Now here in the synthetic division method we will just put the negatives of these coefficients. This will be 2 and let me do like this. This will be 2 and one more is minus 2. Is it clear? Okay, that was a simple synthetic hardness method. Here in this synthetic method we will do like, we will take the coefficients, negative of coefficients. Here it is minus 2, we will put 2. Here it is plus 2, we will take it as minus 2. Okay, now the first step is we'll just put zeros here and also here. Is it okay? Remember, next what will be my next step will be, we'll add 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. Now let us multiply each and everything. Check here, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Is it right? So this will be like minus 5. Is it okay? Now what will be our next step? We'll just add and write 1. Now 2 ones are 2. What do I get? 4. Done. Now just 4 2s are 8. Okay, now we have to write 1 2s are minus 2 here. Okay, now we have to multiply this term with this, right? Now just see here, 8 minus 7 is 1. Now multiply, 1 2s are 2. Now 4 into minus 2 will be minus 8 here. Okay, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 minus 8 is 0. Now just check here, 1 0 2 is a 0, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Again this is also 0. Is that clear? Did you understand? Once again let me tell you. Here first we will write 0, 0, 0. We'll add these terms. I will get 1. Now 1 into 2 is 2. Let's multiply this and put it here. Now 4 to is 8. In order to get this term, we will multiply the first term with the second. Is it clear? Fine. Now let us factorize this. What do we get? X square plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So what kind of factors do we get? Obviously, since everything is plus and there is 1, we may get this complex numbers. So x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 16 minus 4. Is it right? B square minus 4ac by 2a. That is minus 4 plus or minus root 12 by 2. Minus 4 plus or minus root 12 is 4 3s are, which means 2 root 3 by 2. Therefore, the roots are minus 2 plus root 3 and minus 2 minus root 3. Right? And 1 plus I comma 1 minus I. These are the required roots of a given equation. Is it clear? Once again see here. He is asking us to solve this when given one root is 1 plus I. We'll just take 1 plus I and 1 minus I as roots. We'll substitute and find the equation. We'll write the equation like this. Then we will do synthesis method, synthetic method. We'll write the coefficients, then the quotients, coefficients like this. Right? Then put 0, 0, 0. Do that synthetic method. We'll get the solution. Clear? Shall we go on to the next problem? Let's do. Look at the next question here. He gave solve x power 4 minus 4x square plus 8x plus 35 equal to 0. Given 2 plus I root 3 is a root. So we can directly take it as 2 minus I root 3 as one more root. Done. So given alpha as 2 plus I root 3, obviously beta as 2 minus I root 3. Isn't it? So how the equation can be formed? X minus of 2 plus I root 3, x minus of 2 minus I root 3 equal to 0. So x minus 2 minus I root 3 into x minus 2 plus I root 3 equal to 0. X minus 2 a square minus b square is equal to 0. Isn't it? This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So we can write as a square minus b square. Done. Fine. So x minus 2 whole square minus, this can be written as I square into root 3 square. I square is plus 1, root 3 ka square is 3. Done. So let me simplify this. X square plus 4 minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. That is nothing but x square minus 4x plus 7 is equal to 0. Is it okay? Now let us do synthetic division. 1 minus 4, 8. Sorry, there is cube missing here. So 1, 0, minus 4, 8, 35. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Is it right? Are we missing any other things? So be careful with this kind of questions. So we will just put 0, 0, 0. Now we will write here 4 and minus 7. Is it right? Good. Now let me add 1 plus 0 plus 0, which is 1. 1 4s are 4. This will be 4. Done. Next. 4 4s are 16. Now we have to multiply these two. Minus 7. Right? 7 plus 4 is 11. 16 minus 11 is 5. Next. 5 4s are 20. 4 7s are 28. Now check 20 plus 8. 28. 28 will get cancelled. Next. 0 4s are 0. 7 5s are 35. This is 0. This is 0. Now my equation is left. What is left? X square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Let me use this formula method. Minus 4 plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac. 4 5s are 20 divided by 2a. Is it? Now minus 4 plus or minus 16 minus 20 is root of minus 4. Okay, so that will be like minus 4 plus or minus root 4 ka square root is 2, minus 1 ka square root is 2i by 2. Okay, if I separate it if I divide it with denominator, this will be minus 2 plus or minus I. So finally the roots are 2 plus I root 3, 2 minus I root 3, minus 2 plus I, minus 2 minus I. Is it okay? No more confusions, right? Once again, see here, the question is given, one root is given. Obviously, we will take it as one more root. Since it is irrational, 2 plus I root 3 can also be as 2 minus I root 3. We will find the equation with that. Okay. Now, we will take this coefficients. These coefficients will divide. We will get a reduced equation. If I factorize, I will get 2 more factors. 2 more roots for it. Okay. Did you understand? Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Look at the next question. He is asking us to solve this equation given 2 minus of minus root 7 as root. In the before question, we just divided. Here also let's do. First thing, here it is given as root of minus 7. What do this mean? It clearly tells that root 7 negative inside a square root, that is nothing but I. Okay. So simply we can write alpha as 2 minus I root 7, then beta is 2 plus I root 7. Is it okay? No more confusions here, right? The main thing you have to remember is 2 minus I root 7, 2 plus I root 7, or this square root of minus 7 can be written as root 7 I. Done. Now what is the next step? We have to find the equation. How do we find? The equation is x minus 2 minus I root 7 into x minus 2 plus I root 7 equal to 0. Done. So this will be x minus 2 plus I root 7. Here x minus 2 minus I root 7. Okay. So now x minus 2, I root 7 has different terms. A plus b, a minus b. So what do we get now? A square minus b square equal to 0. Okay, fine. Now a minus b whole square. What is it? A square plus b square minus 2ab. That is 4x. Here I square is minus 1, 7 square is 7. Now just add x square minus 4x plus 7 plus 4 is 11. Done. Now the next step will be, we will write the equation and we will use synthetic division method to solve. Now just tell me 3, 0, sorry, the term itself is from 3, minus 4, 1, 88. Right? Once again see here, 3 minus 4, 1, 88. And the terms are given as 0, 0, 0, 4, minus 11. Is it okay? This is negative of the coefficients we have to take. Okay? Fine. Now see here, this is 3, 4 3s are 12. Now 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 4s are 32. 11 3s are 33. 32 plus 1, 33. 33 minus 33, however it is 0. 4 zeros are 0. Next 8 11s are 88. This becomes 0. Okay. Now what will be my equation? 3x plus 8 is equal to 0. Obviously 8x is minus 8 by 3. Is it not simple? Fine. Now see here. What are the roots now? Therefore, roots are minus 8 by 3, 2 plus I root 7, 2 minus I root 7. Is it clear? Did you understand? Fine. These are the basic questions when one root is given, so that we can solve cubic polynomial and more than that. Okay, fine. What if it is more than that? So in order to solve those, we will have different classes of equations. The first main class of equation is, they will say these kind of equations as reciprocal equations. Okay, before that there are few things you have to remember is, for example, let us say f of x is a polynomial. Okay, then someone says find the equation, find the equation whose roots are double of roots of this. Okay, did you understand? For example, let us say alpha, beta are the roots of this equation. Then he is asking us to find the equation whose roots are 2 alpha and 2 beta. Okay, that is nothing but just divide x by 2 and substitute in this, you will get the equation. Is it not easy? Fine. This kind of equations are called as transformation equations. Just reverse it. If I say find the equation of a polynomial whose roots are shifting right side by 2. Okay, that is, here the equation is shifting right side, which is addition. So I have to substitute, instead of x I have to put x minus 2 and simplify. Right? What if I get an equation whose roots are reciprocal of the equation? Reciprocal of the roots. Then I will put f of 1 by x. This kind of equation is called as reciprocal equation. If I get f of x is equal to f of 1 by x, this is a reciprocal equation. In this also we will have varieties, f of x equal to minus f of x, or some simple variations in that. Okay, and based on the number of terms also we will change the class 1, class 2, class 3 and class 4. Is it okay? So why do we learn this, why do we remember this is, if they give some kind of question, so we can use this kind of tricks and we can directly simplify to get the direct answer. Is it okay? Fine. In the next session we will learn this kind of things and this reciprocal equations. Only by using this we can solve higher order equation, either by power 4 or power 5 or power 6. Clear? Fine. What all we learned today? We started with this kind of equation, right? We did all complex numbers by 4 by third degree also. Clear? We learned how to do this synthetic division method by a given equation. Clear? Is it okay? Fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with the more problems of theory of equation. Thank you.